Planning your next cruise vacation. Stop doing these right now and look like a pro. Welcome aboard our virtual journey where we navigate the sea of cruise planning. It's easy to get lost in the excitement of anticipation, but a smooth sailing experience requires careful preparation. From choosing the right cabin to understanding the ship's guidelines, there's a whole ocean of decisions to be made. But don't worry, we're here to guide you. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 mistakes to avoid when planning your cruise vacation. Starting at number 10, not researching the ship. Think of this as your floating hotel. Would you book a hotel without checking it out first? Probably not. So why would you do that with a cruise ship? Take the time to research the ship's amenities, size, and passenger capacity. It's crucial to your overall experience. After all, you will be spending a significant amount of time on board. Remember, the ship is as important as the destination. At number 9, we have a common mistake: overpacking. Yes, we get it. You want to be prepared for every eventuality. But packing too much can actually cause more problems than it solves. Overpacking can lead to hefty baggage fees, not to mention the struggle of fitting everything into your cabin's limited storage space. So, before you start stuffing that extra pair of shoes or 5th bathing suit into your suitcase, remember, when it comes to cruise packing, less is definitely more. Mistake number 8, booking the wrong cabin. While it might seem like just a place to sleep, your cabin can make or break your cruise experience. Consider the location. Proximity to the dining room or pool might be a boon or a bane, depending on your preferences. Size matters too, especially for those traveling with family or requiring accessibility. Lastly, consider the type of cabin: interior, ocean view, balcony, or suite. Each has its perks and pitfalls. Your cabin is your home at sea, so choose wisely. Coming in at number 7, neglecting travel insurance. Picture this. You're on a cruise, but unfortunately, a sudden illness or accident happens. Without travel insurance, you're left with a hefty bill. Or worse, your trip gets canceled and you're out of pocket. Travel insurance is your safety net against unforeseen circumstances. It covers emergencies, cancellations, even lost luggage. So while it may seem like an extra expense, the peace of mind it brings is priceless. Better safe than sorry, always consider travel insurance. Mistake number 6 on our list: not checking the weather. Weather plays a significant role in your cruise experience. It can lead to changes in your itinerary or even cause cancellations. Furthermore, knowing the forecast helps you pack appropriately. Whether it's a sunny Caribbean cruise or an Alaskan voyage, the weather dictates what you need in your suitcase. Rain or shine, warm or cold, be prepared. Remember, you can't control the weather, but you can certainly prepare for it. Mother Nature is unpredictable, so always check the weather. Halfway through our list, at number 5, not planning onboard activities. Cruise ships aren't just floating hotels, they're bustling mini-cities with a plethora of activities to enjoy. From Broadway-style shows and interactive cooking classes to pool parties and trivia nights, there's something for everyone. By planning ahead, you can ensure you're not missing out on these fantastic experiences. Remember, some activities might require pre-booking, so don't leave it to chance. To make the most of your time on board, plan your activities in advance. Mistake number 4, ignoring the cruise line's guidelines. These guidelines aren't just suggestions. They're designed to ensure everyone's safety and enjoyment on board. They cover everything from dress codes, so you're suitably attired for every occasion, to lists of prohibited items that you really shouldn't pack in your suitcase. And let's not forget the behavior rules. These are crucial to maintain harmony among the diverse group of passengers. Ignoring them is a surefire way to dampen the cruise experience. To ensure a smooth sailing, follow the cruise line's guidelines. Mistake number 3, not budgeting for extras. Let's talk about those tempting extras that can add up on your cruise bill. Fancy cocktails, special dining experiences, gratuities, and exciting shore excursions are just a few that might catch your eye. While they enhance your cruise experience, they can also inflate your budget. So, be smart. Plan ahead, set a budget for these extras, and stick to it. A little budgeting can go a long way in avoiding unexpected costs. Almost at the top, mistake number 2, skipping the safety drill. A cruise ship is a floating city, and like any city, emergencies can happen. The safety drill is your roadmap to staying safe. It's mandatory for a reason. Safety first, never skip the drill. And finally, the number 1 mistake, not arriving early for embarkation. By arriving ahead of schedule, you sidestep unnecessary stress and gain extra leisure time on board. Remember, your vacation starts the moment you step foot on the ship. To start your cruise off right, arrive early for embarkation. That wraps up our top 10 mistakes to avoid when planning your cruise vacation. From neglecting to research the ship, all the way to not arriving early for embarkation, these are the pitfalls that can trip up even the most seasoned cruisers. Remember, overpacking, ignoring guidelines, skipping safety drills, and neglecting travel insurance are errors best left on the shore. With careful planning and keeping these mistakes in mind, you're setting sail toward a flawless voyage. Avoid these mistakes and you're on your way to a fantastic cruise vacation. Safe travels!